Hello everyone, my name is Ming. Today let's talk about new camera. Fujifilm just announced a new camera, X-T100. Don't confuse that with X100T. They are totally different cameras. I don't know why they came up with this naming, but the new camera is X-T100. It is positioned between X-T20 and X-A5. It is a entry-level DSLR-like APS-C sensor camera. And the camera body itself is about $600 and the camera body plus a kit lens is about $700. The camera itself has a 24 megapixel APS-C sensor, but please note it is not Fujifilm's X-Trans sensor, it is the regular Bayer sensor. The biggest feature of Fuji X-T100 is the flip out screen, and that's what I want to talk about because when I go out to take landscape photos, I also sometimes do photography on location vlogs, and so far I have been using this Canon G9X because my Fuji X-T2 is my main still camera, so I set up my Fuji X-T2 to take the photos of the landscape and then using this Canon G9X to make the vlog. And there are some features that I wish I had from this Canon G9X, and one of them is the flip out screen. I wish I could see myself in the frame, so that helps me to get a better composition, and also it helps me to check if I am in focus. So Fuji X-T100 has the flip out screen that you can rotate 180 degree to facing you directly, so you can check yourself, you can check composition, you can check if you are in focus, etc. You can see yourself. I think that's very convenient for taking selfies or making vlogs. Now let's talk about video recording. The camera does take 4K, but it is 4K in 15 frames per second. I don't know why they even put these 15 frames per second in the camera. I wish they just skip 4K entirely, because I feel like the 4K 15 frames per second is almost useless because the footage will look like very choppy, it will look very choppy. So I don't know why they put it, maybe for some marketing purpose, I don't know. But with that camera, probably you want to just shoot at 1080p, and you can shoot at either 24 frames per second or 60 frames per second. Or you can go down to 720p, and that allows you to do more slow motion, like around 100 frames per second. So you can get some smooth slow motion. Overall, I think this camera, Fuji X-T100, is targeting Canon EOS M50, because when you compare the specs of these two cameras, they are very similar and they are priced very similarly. And the kit lens are both 15 to 45 millimeter. They both have the flip out screen. I think they're both targeting vloggers. To me, I prefer Fuji X-T100 mainly because the lens mount, because it's a Fuji X mount, which means I can put all my Fuji lenses on Fuji X-T100. I don't have any Canon lenses, so I don't have anything to put on Canon EOS M50. That's why I favor Fuji X-T100. That's a big reason. So am I going to buy the camera body? Probably, because I really want to replace my G9X with Fuji X-T100. Oh, forgot to mention another reason that I would like to use Fuji X-T100 over this G9X is Fuji X-T100 has a hot shoe that you can put a microphone, and it got a 2.5 millimeter microphone jack, which means you need to you need to purchase a 3.5 to 2.5 millimeter adapter if you want to use something like a Rode Video Micro on top of your camera. But yeah, that's something you can buy for like $5 from Amazon. So I'm going to get one of those, and I have my microphone on top of the camera, and then I have the flip out screen, and probably I would just shoot 1080p. And if I want to do some slow motion, I probably will just shoot at 720p, then upscale to 1080p in post, and then make the video. I think that's what I'm going to do with that camera, because it's a compromise. I want 1080p 120 frames per second. I want 4K 60 frames per second, but that comes a price. And I want to have the budget, I want to keep the budget below $1,000. So I have to make some compromises, and I think Fujifilm X-T100 is the choice if I really want to go and keep the budget under $1,000. I think that offers the key features that I need, like the flip out screen, like the microphone jack. So yeah, so I think I am probably going to buy that camera for like $700. Alright guys, this is just some of my initial thoughts. I never tried Fuji X-T100 yet. I probably will maybe try the camera before I buy it. When I try it, I will make sure to let you know how I feel about the camera. So please stay tuned. And if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel already, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Also, let me know, what do you think about Fuji X-T100? Do you think it's gonna be a good vlogging camera at that price? Let me know in the comments below. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.